Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's master 12 get phrasal verbs in less than 2 minutes. Number 1, get up. It means to rise from bed. Example, I get up at 7 a.m. every day. Number 2, get along with. It means to have a good relationship. Example, she gets along well with her coworkers. Number 3, get over. It means to recover from something. Example, it took him months to get over the flu. Number 4, get on. It means to board the bus or train. Example, we got on the bus quickly. Number 5, get off. It means to leave the bus or train. Example, I get off at the next stop. Number 6, get back. It means to return. Example, what time did you get back home? Number 7, get through. It means to finish or successfully communicate. Example, I finally got through my homework. Number 8, get by. It means to manage or survive. Example, he doesn't earn much, but he gets by. Number 9, get into. It means to become interested in something. Example, she got into painting during lockdown. Number 10, get out. It means to leave or escape. Example, let's get out of here before it rains. Number 11, get away. It means to escape or take a break. Example, we need to get away for the weekend. Number 12, get across. It means to communicate an idea clearly. Example, the teacher tried to get the point across. That's all for today. So, how many get phrasal verbs did you learn? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and come back for more fun English lessons. See you next time.